Hi, welcome back. You are once again with Mudassir. English with Mudassir. In today's lecture, I will be talking about what is noun gender. Noun gender क्या होता है? If you don't have subscribed my channel, first subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Let's begin. What is noun gender? One must know about noun gender. Noun gender, it tells us about whether it is a female or male. ये noun gender हमें बताती है कि ये male है कि female है. So we have four types of noun gender: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter gender. Got it? So masculine are those names or those nouns which denote a male or a male animal or a person. ये हमें मेल एनिमल या पर्सन के बारे में बताती है कि ये एनिमल या ये पर्सन मेल है या फीमेल है. So boy, lion, prince, husband. So these all are masculine. What is feminine? Those nouns which denotes a female animal or person. ये हमें फीमेल एनिमल या पर्सन के बारे में बताती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल गर्ल, लायनेस, प्रिंसेस, वाइफ. These all are feminine noun. What is common noun? According to gender. So common noun, those nouns which denotes either a male or a female. जो कि हम मेल और फीमेल के लिए दोनों के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उसको हम common gender कहते हैं. Got it? For example, student. Student may be male or female. Teacher may be male or female. Doctor may be male or female. Thief may be male or female. दोनों के लिए एक वर्ड यूज होता है, उसको हम common gender कहते हैं. Enemy, cousin, neighbor. These all are common gender. Now coming to our neuter gender. Denotes either those nouns which denotes either neither a male nor female. जो कि ना मेल का नाम होता है न फीमेल का जेंडर होता है. Things without life, जो बेजान चीजें होती हैं, उसमें न मेल होता है न फीमेल होते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल book. Book is not a male nor female. Pen is not a male nor female. And room is not a male nor female. So things without life is called neuter gender. Those which are used for वो nouns जो कि मेल और फीमेल के लिए इकट्ठे इस्तेमाल होते हैं, उसको हम common gender कहते हैं. वो नाउन जो सिर्फ फीमेल के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं, उसको हम feminine नाउन कहते हैं. वो नाउन जो कि सिर्फ मेल के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं, उसको हम masculine नाउन कहते हैं. If you have any question regarding masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender, you can ask in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for your time.